Hi, this is Joel Johnson. Today we're going to talk about women and money just briefly, but before I do that, please subscribe to this channel and click on that little bell icon, because then every time we upload new material, including our special workshop that my colleague Heather, who's a certified financial planner, is going to do on women and money. If you want to get all that content, make sure you click on that bell. Today, I want to talk about a workshop that you can go to, and it is specifically about women and money and the challenges that women have, or maybe I should just say the differences when it comes to planning for retirement. My mom is a widow. My father passed away before she did. She has specific issues that she has to deal with in retirement because my father died earlier. In fact, if you're the same age as your partner, if you're a female and you're the same age as your male partner, you need to plan on living to 10 years longer, at least 7 years longer, maybe 10 years longer. So there are all kinds of situations that make women's financial planning unique. Women have a big advantage in some areas. So I want you to go and watch Heather Atkins, certified financial planner, watch her workshop on the specific challenges that women have and the advantages that women have when it comes to investment planning and retirement planning. Again, this is Joel Johnson. Click on that subscribe icon and make sure you watch Heather's workshop.